Welcome to Biodiversity Park in Patalum, Thailand. No idea what's going on here. However, we did have to check in for our social distancing campaign here. Scan the barcode to say we were here. They take a picture of our license plate. It's just us and one other car here. Looks like we have the whole place to ourselves, which is what we like. There's no lines. I won't read it to you guys. If you like to read it, you can read it. My wife says we shouldn't go near the children, obviously. They get near one, they start multiplying. And they have this nice string wire that you can barely, they painted it so you make sure you don't fall over. And down there, where the plants with little spikes there could, well, they could hurt you. My wife bought a brand new hat today. She's styling and profiling. She's got her mask on to protect herself from, not COVID, but I guess is really protecting herself from the hot air. And just to the...
Follow what the cowman told me to do.
Yeah.
Follow the rule. Don't be naughty.
And you can see this, the ocean right here.
Well,
And it's just rippling. There's not much of a wave or a wake or anything. I like these plants right here that look like spikes in the ground. I'm going to zoom in on those bad boys. Spikes. You fall, you die. Don't fall. We've been making the joke this whole trip that my wife is looking for the perfect place to kill me. So if I don't post this video, you don't hear from me, well, she did her job well. Now she can't do it. Okay? Evidence.
it's not a play this thing. It's not an end of trick yet. How many days have we have to go?
Yeah. Another 12?
Okay. That's
10 or 12 more days. I don't know. Today is the
This week?
August 8th, and we're going through August 20th. We'd go further, but I have to pick up my visa on the 21st for another year here. And then she's stuck with me for another year until we do it again. Oh, there's some big bees here going zoom, 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 zoom. And into the water he falls. I don't know if you hear that squeaking sound. That's just my brand new shoes. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, we'll come back if there's something interesting to see along the way. But so far, this is what you're seeing. Is what you sing. My wife warns me. Look at this. She sees the fruits here on the tree or plants, and she says, "Don't touch those. They might make you itch." And I'm like, "Yeah, I'll touch them anyway." Now we come across this tree just across here. She says, "Hey, I wonder if they're sharp." And these things have spikes all over them. Go touch those and see if they're sharp. How about these plants that are growing on them, sweetheart? Did you see these? Little berries. You can eat them. Try one.
You try one.
She's insured for $1.5 million. You go first.
I ain't encouraging you to do.
Here's another one of those plants. And much easier to get to. Wow, they're much bigger now.
Try one, sweetheart. It's natural. Perhaps it's good for your body.
They're really heavy. That's not a light plant anymore. I don't think it's ready to eat yet. You should try it first.
No, I'm not hungry.
Yeah, we did just eat over at the floating market where there was nothing floating.
On an island.
It was an island. It wasn't, so they should call it the island market, not the floating market. Just saying. Don't touch it.
Huh?
It's going to make you itch.
Say don't touch the flute. Please, fine, touch it, but then broken, dude.
So we're really looking for snakes.
Hey, no! No!
What? All right. Well, let's see if there's anything else coming up ahead. All right. So my wife says I should try these guys here.
Radius, let's color.
They're red, ready to eat.
Try one.
So just one, right?
Just try a couple.
Maybe we do it together.
I'm not really.
Do a little Romeo and Juliet thing.
I'm not really a flute person.
Oh no, this fence here is deteriorated. You can see, and now it's back up to being painted nice and clean again. So previously we had wire to protect you. Now we've got some good pipes.
It's nothing to be there.
Well, there's nothing really to protect you here. You fall over, you just step down. But look at that! Look at the size of that snail. You can eat those. You know, most likely you can eat anything, whether it tastes good. You know, that's a matter of opinion. Forest types in Thailand. There's the mangrove forest, the swamp forest, the moist evergreen forest, the dry evergreen forest, the mixed deciduous forest. I have no idea what that is. Deciduous dipterocarp. And here comes a doggy. Pine forest in the hill.
Just go in the water. You're gonna be wet and chicken.
Hey, buddy.
You're so happy. Oh,
I don't have anything. What's wrong? Let's go. He wants us to follow him.
okay.
That's a dog wanting us to follow him. He's worried about something.
Really?
Yes. He's calling for help for maybe his master. All right. So we walk out from here, maybe a 35, 40-minute walk all the way around. And a lot of trees. No. There they are. Here come the doggies again. Will they come talk to us again? They were so interested in talking to us before. They know my wife is a dog person. She's a dog whisperer.
Oh, I have this map.
Oh, there's the map. Maybe you should pay attention to this before you come out here so you know what to do.
Hi. I know. And I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let's go. Show me. Hungry? Thirsty?
I'm so sorry.
Thirsty? Maybe you want some fresh water? We got some in the car. Maybe you'd like some water.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you see how she is here? Just get my wife's attention. Now my wife's like, can we bring her home with us? She's so sweet. She doesn't take up much room in the car. Come on, let's see if we can get you some water. All right, come on. Where's your buddy? Where is she? I don't know if we have anything to spill water for you, but we'll see what we have. I know we've got plenty of it. Oh, here's his home.